Good day, dear shoppers of New Central. Come and join us at lower ground floor Center Court for New Tour with Alvin and the Chipmunks. We have been here since the 5th of December and we will last all the way up to 7th of January. For those of you who have yet to meet Alvin, Simon and Theodore, you might want to spend your weekends here with us. Spend your New Year 2016 with all of us this Saturday and Sunday at 2nd and 3rd of January from 4 to 4:30 p.m. and also 6 to 6:30 p.m. respectively. And on top of all of that excitement, we will be having our new talent joining us as well. This Sunday at 3rd of January from 2 to 4 p.m. We will be seeing magic shows, there will be street dancing, there will be a lot of awesome performance waiting for you. And out of these 8 finalists, only one will walk away with 4,000 ringgit Malaysia. And in the meantime, while all of you are spending your New Year's Eve with all of us right here at New Central, remember to bring your receipts down. Why? Because with 200 ringgit spending, you will be able to get a free session where it is the place in Tennyson or Miami Golf. And for those of you who have spent 300 ringgit in a single or a combination of receipts, you can bring it here, show it to us, because you will be able to get a free ride in one of these motorized sports cars, which will be touring around the whole set. As you can see, we have a road track on this set. Your little child will be going under the 33 Christmas tree as well, because you can only find these decorations only in this mall at New Central. And if you have not liked our Facebook page, you might want to like it to get all the latest updates, because our Facebook page is at www.facebook.com/newscentral. And make sure to stay tuned and pay attention to whatever I'm saying, because we will be having our question and answer session at random times of the day, and I will be giving out free limited edition Alvin and the Chipmunk merchandise. At the meantime, while all of you are shopping, wishing you an awesome day right here at New Central, and Happy New Year to all of you!